This is a Rivet Nut Tool Kit. I'm just going to show y'all real quick basically what it's for. All right. So here you go. Rivet tool right here. Oh man, everybody needs this. I'm telling you. Just to make life easier. You might need it for your engine. You never know. I have threads on the inside. So you see that? Okay. And when you need to put a screw in there, you need to drill your hole, put this in, and then put your new screw in. Simple as that. Did I get that from here? Yeah, I think I got it from here. So there you go. You have all your sizes right there. All right. So what I can do is I could do a little hole real quick, show you, so y'all could get an idea of what I'm trying to do. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. When I work on my Dodge, like I said, I want to put my splash guard right there with the brake rotor. So I want to fix that because one of the bolts broke and they look like one of these right here. All right. So this is what the bolt looks like. And what happened was it broke on the inside of the metal and we basically couldn't extract it out. So we drilled a hole, and now I'm going to use one of these to basically rivet inside, and then we screw on. Y'all see? Nice and easy. Nice and easy. So let's go ahead and get into the rivet tool. Now, unfortunately for me, I spilled everything. So I'm in deep trouble right now because I spilled everything in the box when I was coming down here. But that's not too bad because you can actually find your measurement. Your screw here, you can figure out what rivet fits. So this is an M5. So I will put these with the M5s, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just showing y'all just in case y'all spill it. I want to use this for this because this is what I need to put my splash guard back on for my rotor. And it fits right in this hole that I made. I just made this hole for y'all on this piece of metal. And I'm going to try to rivet it if I can. But I'm just showing y'all an example. Now with this, it's simple. They give you a little wrench and you can just simply take it off. Is it this side or this side? Okay. So simply take it off like that. All right. If you need to take this middle off, you can just pull down here. All right. And then turn so you can see it. All right. All right. And this is fine thread, just to let y'all know. So yeah. All right. So we're going to put this on here. All right. Then we're going to put our nut on. All right. Putting the nut on, you guys. Grab your tool. Get the right size. Turn. Going to put a rivet on. Squeezing tight. Once you squeeze tight, twisting this off, it will not come off. Don't know if you can see it right there, but the rivets are right there, okay? So my bad if it's a little blurry. There we go, we focus. All right, so you got the rivet right there. Once you rivet, that's it. All right, there's no coming back. There's no redoing, none of that stuff. You got your measuring tool right there. This is for all your screws. So you know what sizes and all of that good stuff. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next product review.